In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively enhance your video project using CapCut by adding dynamic visual effects like fire, sparks, or particles. Whether you're aiming for a dramatic flare or a subtle enhancement, these effects can really transform your video into something eye-catching and professional. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Effects tab. This is where the magic really starts to happen. You'll find a wide array of effects here, but today we're specifically looking for something that can add life and movement to your scenes. So go ahead and search for effects like fire, sparks, or particles. As you look through these options, think about the tone and feel you want your video to have. Do you want vibrant and energetic sparks flying around, or perhaps a more subdued, smoky fire burning in the background? Choose what works best for your project's vibe. Once you've found an effect that resonates with your theme, it's time to incorporate it into your video. You'll want to drag this chosen effect to a new layer directly above your video footage. This might sound like a small step, but it's crucial because layering this way ensures the effect overlays your video clip appropriately. It brings your static footage to life, interacting seamlessly without overwhelming your original visuals. After placing your effect on the timeline, move on to the resize or reposition stage in the preview window. This step is all about customization and making sure the effect sits perfectly within your scene. Whether you want the sparks to shower your entire frame or just accentuate the corners, now's the time to adjust its size and position. Be creative, play around with the placement, and make sure it complements the story you're trying to tell. And lastly, but certainly not least, you'll want to adjust the intensity of this effect to blend it well into the scene. This part is crucial. Use the blending and intensity controls to ensure the effect doesn't appear too overpowering or too subtle. For instance, if the fire effect looks too bright against your current lighting, dial it back a bit. The key is to blend it so well that it feels like an organic part of the footage rather than an obvious overlay. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can creatively enhance your video projects using CapCut's dynamic effects. Remember, experimentation is your best friend here. Try different settings and don't be afraid to switch things up until you find the perfect balance.